Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you for your love and your support. I want to say a big thank you for the support and love that you support me on my last videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So today, darlings, we are going to be learning how to make this simple style with ASO. You can use your scuba material, just depend on what you want to use. You can use scuba material, you can use your ASO, you can even use your Ankara fabric. So just look at it. And this is our ASO. You know, ASO comes in all I would say, it comes in roll like so. I'm going to be having 3 pieces of ASO for the base, and this is the base part, just like the body of the, like you want to do turban. So I'm going to be having 3 pieces. The other one, I'm going to cut it out. It's not going to be full like the first and the second one. And this is the rope for tying at the back. We're going to be having two rope at the back, 2 rope for the left side and 2 rope for the right side. And so this is the measurements that I will be showing you now. That's 11 by 2.5 inches. So we're going to bend that part and you sew it down. You're going to sew the 4 like that. So let's move to the next one. So the next one I'm going to be showing you right now, I'm going to be showing you the pleating part. This is the pleating part. So the pleating part, you can reduce it, you can add to it. It just depends. Can you see in the picture? I have my own is a little bit pleating, and the other one is just not a little bit pleating. So you can add to the pleating, you can add more to it. So the pleating part is 35 inches and sew the 2 edges together. Can you see? Just fold anyhow you want it. Just fold to achieve what you want to do. Can you see? Just look at that. It's so easy to do. So the next thing now we're going to be doing right now, I'm going to be having the knotted part. The knotted part is going to be 2 places. It's going to be in 2 places. So I'm going to be showing you the measurement that we're going to be used for it. It's going to be 2 places. Can you see? I'm still going to cut this, but let's use this measurement. So this is the knotted part. So we're going to be folding into 2. That knotted part, you are going to join it from the back of the rope, like the way we joined our Zara. The last video I uploaded, like the way we joined our Zara, I'm going to join it. So you're going to join it at the back. Join one at the back of the rope, the second at the back of the rope. Then you bring it to the front. Then you make a knotted part. Again, let me repeat myself again. This is the knotted part. It's going to be 2 places. That's 32 inches in 2 places. Again, 32 inches in 2 places. We are going to start from the back. The pleating, you're going to start from the rope part. You're going to join one at the back of the rope, the second at the back of the rope. That is from the left and the right. You're going to join it. Can you see? Avoid joining it like this on the sewing machine. At the front of the 3 pieces of the ASO, I make 2 pleating. You can make pleating like, you can make like 3 pleating or 1 pleating, but I make 2 pleating. So this is it. This is the front part. In that edges, you can sew it and you can leave it. You can tack it inside with needle and thread. So for the streaming part will be used to cover our let's say our sewing part. The tacking at the back and the sewing and the knotted part are going to use your streaming tool. So this part, you're going to make the knotted part. Just zoom the pictures and see how the knotted part. You can knot it the way you want. Can you see? You're going to knot it and you're going to hide the remaining one inside. You can cut and pull it inside and tack it with your needle and thread. Like I said here again, just do a knotted part. You can knot it the way you want it. And so this is the pleating part. So for the pleating part, just plait it like I said earlier. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. It just depends on how you want it. Can you see what we are doing? It's so easy. Just plait it the way and use your needle and thread to tack that part. You use your needle and thread to secure that part. If you have enough ASO, you can do enough pleating. And if you don't have enough ASO, so that means your pleating will be so scanty. Because I have enough ASO, so my pleating is going to come out. Then that part, I'm going to fix that part. I'm going to use needle and thread to secure that part. before you can do anything, place it on your dummy's head. That is very, very important. When you place it on your dummy's head, you are going to see how the fan part is going to stand on your client's head or on your own head. So just place it. You're going to place the body of the um ashoke, placed on the dominant, and fix this inside. Can you see what we are doing? Like I said earlier, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to like. Share this video with friends and family. Comment, just look at it. My WhatsApp number is WhatsApp number. I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp number there. You can check people on my videos. You can see my WhatsApp number. You can reach me, you can ask me questions. So I'm ready to answer you, darling. So this is it. So can you see the edges of the side of the ashoke? I've already sew it to make my work so neat. That is the important. Have that in mind, that you're going to sew the edges. So now this is the back of it. And the back, you're going to knit the back by using your scissors to string the rope. Can you see the knotted part? So can you see the way it goes? Then you're going to put that one inside the, can you see, tack the inside with your needle and thread. Just tack the inside with your needle and thread. So the edges part of the knotted part, you can sew it and you can leave it. You tack this place in and out, in and out. And when you are done with your work, try to use a streaming to cover it. Then you are going to take your fan part to the other side. Just place it on the dummy's head and see how it goes, and you fix it. Then you are good to go. You fix it and you can use your, like in my home video now, in my home I use the streaming to cover that part. So then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye. I still remain your girl, ASO Menah. Bye, darlings, and have a good day. Have a lovely day. So see you next time on my next video. Bye.